Hi, my name is Apoorv, and in this video I am going to discuss the fundamentals of stock market. You must have heard about this term before, but have you ever tried to find out what it is? If not, then this video is for you. So let's find out what stock market is. Let us assume I have a company, and by seeing its recent performance and future potential, I am trying to expand it to the whole country. But expansion requires fund, and as I am a small business owner, I don't have it. So what I'll be doing, I'll go in the public and ask for the funds, and in return what I'll do, I'll provide them with fraction ownership of my company. I'll be giving them the receipts, or you can say the securities, which will show them that they are the fraction owner of my company. These securities are known as stocks. Stocks basically indicates that a person XYZ is that much or that fraction owner of the company. Hey, but I can't go out in the public and ask for the capital. I have to go to a place which is known as stock exchanges, uh, where buying and selling of share happens, and there I'll be launching my company's IPO, which stands for initial public offering. IPO is basically a process in which the private company turns public by giving their shares to the general public. And as I have discussed, stock exchanges are the place where buying and selling of stocks happens. So there are two stock exchanges in India: National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. So after getting the capital which I needed to expand my business, I expanded my business and started generating revenue or profit from it. So my company decided to pay a part of this profit to its shareholder, and this part of profit which is distributed among shareholders is known as dividend. Dividend is basically the profit per share which is distributed to the shareholders. Now, after seeing this lucrative dividend, many of the general public started demanding for the stock of my company. So, the supply being constant, the demand of the stocks of my company rises, and hence, by the principle of supply and demand, the prices of my stocks rises. And that's how the stock of a company rises or falls. When the demand of a stock increases and the supply being constant, the price of the stock also increases, and vice versa. Like my business, many other businesses must have listed their stocks on the stock exchanges, and to know the overall performance of the stocks on the stock exchange, we use indices. Index or indices is basically the average performance of all the stocks listed on that exchange. So National Stock Exchange have Nifty, and Bombay Stock Exchange have Sensex. Also, the performance of stocks depends upon the growth of the company and its demand in the market. So let's recap what different terms we have learned in this lesson. Number 1, what is stock? Number 2, what is an IPO? Number 3, stock exchanges. Number 4, dividend. And number 5, index. Also, we have seen how the prices of the stock rises or falls. Also, I'll be attaching some basic question in the description, so it will help you in recollecting all we have learned in this video. Also, do share your valuable feedback in the comment section below, as it will help me in improving my content. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like it.